perspective, what happened?
First, I want to say sorry, but I did my best, and this is my best for now. Dahil may injury ako, and nahihirapan ako mag-drop weight. And kasi lumaki ako. Pero ayun nga, it's not an excuse. But at the end of the day, hindi ako sumuko. Nag-prepare ako, and I'm happy to represent our country.
Ano po yung injury?
Still the same, 2023. Nagka-injury ako before the Olympic qualifying. Medyo din na after not qualifying sa Paris, medyo nawalan na ako ng motivation. This is my first international competition after 2024. So I'm happy.
Dito rin sa Thailand yun?
Yes. Oo nga, dito din sa Thailand. So,
yung injury mo, right or left knee ba yun?
right knee.
Right.
Right knee, yes.
Medyo pumirunta sa ngayon. After the second match.
Yes. Yes, pero okay lang.
Ano tumatak mo sa isip mo yun?
Kailangan ko buhatin. Buhatin yun. So, before this, may session ako sa sports psychologist na kasi I've been living during the whole preparation, nandun yung doubt, yung kung kaya ko ba ba. So, yung instruction ng sports psychologist ko, buhatin mo yan, guys. So, yun ang kailangan ko sabihin sa sarili ko. Kasi sabi nga niya, expert ako sa weightlifting. So, yun ang kailangan ko. Hoping next year nasa Olympic qualifying ang for LA. Pero nagbago na rin ang weight category. So, weight category ng weightlifting, it's keep changing. So, third time na ito ngayon. So, titignan natin 61 kilos naman.
61 kilos?
Yes, 61 naman. Pero titignan natin. And hoping na mas marami pang atleta na mas makapaglaro sa weightlifting. Kasi iba naman yung category, pero mas marami tayong mabibuild na athlete for weightlifting. Kasi alam naman natin na sa Pilipinas talaga maraming magagaling at malalakas.
ID, you mentioned na nawala ka ng motivation. What made you decide na bumalik dito sa CBO?
Actually, na ano bang siguro for the Philippines. Nandito ako for the Philippines and for the weightlifting community. Kasi I have to stand for the athletes behind me. And I need to motivate them kahit nahirapan ako. And then, for the Filipino athletes also. It's a story of, it's different kind of story. It's not winning story. It's not giving up story for Heidi Lindias.
Kanina sa backstage, nakita natin medyo emotional ka. Ano yung mga napag-usapan ng mga coaches?
Para sa akin kasi, nag-story ako kasi I did not win any medal for the Philippines this SEA Games. But, ayun nga, this is my best for now.
Ay, sa tono ng pagsasalita mo, parang you're not planning to retire anytime soon.
Depende sa takbo ng mga plano. May mga plano na, and nandun na tayo, malapit na sa retirement. Pero syempre, kailangan natin tignan kung ano ba, yun yung problema ng athlete eh. After winning gold, what's next? To be sports leader, I will be a lecturer next year. So, what's next for Heidi Lindias? So, medyo magulo pang isip kung definitely hindi pa, pero nandun na. And dahil dito sa competition na to, nagkaroon ako ng fire, pero may kailangan akong gagawin for the Philippine Weightlifting Association. Yeah.
So, ano kaya mukhang official? As an official?
Titingnan natin, but I just want, ay, hindi ko pwede sabihin. Sige, thank you so much. Thank you so much.